We will go to the cave. Oh, ships. We arrive at Cueva. We need lights here. We are hanging elastic. I don't know why. Look, messages, I think, in the pot. The treasure. It has basura inside. Going inside in the cave. We are happy it's not so bored of this cave. View from Mirador Viscas. So beautiful. Whoa.
Peace.
So beautiful. What a view. Sangria! Hindi kami nag-order ng shrimp pero binigyan kami ng shrimp.